Could you turn that down just like a... Because he's like... Anyways.
I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Carrie. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. All right, y'all. So today's collaboration is with my girl KIMIRA Juice. If you don't know who she is, where you been at? No, but for real, I'm just saying, because she's beautiful. She's a sweet soul. She's super supportive, always showing love. But most importantly, she slays, okay? So if you have never been to her channel, you need to head over there and check out her content and see the stuff she pushes out, because she's going to deliver something all the time that you're gonna love, okay? She's doing wig reviews. She does her lippies of the days. And one thing that I really like about her is just she's just super sweet, like genuinely a nice person, super easy to talk to. And you're like, okay, girl, I like your vibes. You're gonna love it there on her channel, y'all. So if you don't know who she is, check her out and make sure you head over to her channel once this video is over, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, y'all. So today we are reviewing two Neeshas, the Neesha Halfwigs, though, okay? So yeah, we back on Outre for a little second, okay? Because Outre still busting them out. But anyway, so we got the Neesha H301 in the color 1B, the Neesha H302 in the color DR2 Honey Blonde. Don't know why those names are like that, but that's just what it is. Okay, now it says it's the new halfway caps. They're supposed to lay flat, requires less leave out. And for me, it's like a no leave out or just a little bit of edges, because I don't do all that. I don't put heat to my hair. Like I don't do that, okay? I don't do that stuff. I don't do that stuff. But anyway, it says self-styled in 60 seconds, but you know we're going to turn these into some headband wigs. So you could use heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm just going to say really quick, okay? Spoiler alert, this one is my favorite. I do a lot of headband wig reviews up on this channel, synthetic and human hair. So if you haven't seen them, make sure you do check them out. I do have a playlist for the headband wigs. And also, I did the Outre Annie too, okay? And the reason why I mentioned Outre Annie is because this is the Outre Neesha, and they both straight and they both kind of got the same texture. So if you like the Annie, you might like this. But like I said, this is one of my favorites. So make sure you watch the review and you check it out. You understand what's going on here, sis. Okay, let's jump in.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
All right, y'all. So the Neesha H, could you turn that down just like a... You don't have to turn it all the way down. Just a little bit, because he's like... You can listen to it. You can't even hear it, because when I start talking, you can't hear it. You're lying. Okay. Anyways, all right, y'all. So this is the Neesha H301, I guess Halfwig 301. And she's cute or whatever, okay? She's cute. She got a little vibe going on. I do like that I got her in the 1B because it's just like blending seamlessly. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't tell me I ain't get a little roller set. You can't tell me I put some curlers in my hair overnight. You can't tell me I ain't get a blowout. This looks like my hair. I'm super happy that they came out with some Neesha half wigs because, I mean, the half wigs is the thing right now. It's the easiest thing to do. So we could just pop them on, throw on a little headband and go. So I'm cool with it. Now, it's cute or whatever, but I don't know how I like it on me. I'm still trying to fill it out on me. I feel like it's kind of looking like it's aging me a bit. It's the curls. It's the curls. But it is a pretty unit. But I'm looking in the mirror. I'm like, it's pretty, but I'm looking a little old. It look like I'm about to go to church or something. I don't know. So the texture of this unit is really, really soft. So I'm happy about that. This one is giving me a little bit of tangling, just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. The curls, like I said, is really pretty. I love how they layered it. It just looks amazing. Like, I really, really like the style of it. It is laying flat like they said it would. I'm happy about that. You do get some space in this unit, so it's not too tight. If you wanted it to bring it all the way like to the tippy top, you could do that. Like, I had some space back there when I was moving, and I was like, okay, we got a little space. So come on, Neesha 301, come on. Hey. I do like her with these type of headbands too. But because this is not a headband, technically you're kind of making your own headband. A headband wig, you know what I'm trying to say. I would say that you should probably invest in getting some like thin black headbands like this, but all black. So that way you can kind of put these on top of it, because sometimes these type of headbands can move and shift around, and then boom, your whole little unit shown right there in the front. So yeah, I mean, you know, I don't have an all black headband, so I was just using this for an example when you did see me try them both on in the video. But yeah, I'm about to give me some black headbands so I could pop on some of these and stuff like that and just rock it out. But overall, the unit is cute. Like, I literally have no complaints with this unit, and it has no lace. It's a win-win. Also, what I'm liking about these half wigs is that it's half price, because the regular Neeshas, they kind of run you between $25, you know, on average. But these is like $15, $17. So it's like half the price of the full Neesha. And also, like I said, it's just less work. It's more so of a plop and go. And I honestly like the headband style a lot. And I like that it's easy. Kind of having your own edges and stuff out, if you choose to use your own edges, is a little bit more realistic anyways than using the lace on the regular lace wig. So I mean, it's kind of a win-win. Me personally, if I had to choose between the regular full Neeshas and a half wig Neesha, I'm choosing a half wig Neesha, because I'm still getting the look and it's easy, and I don't have to worry about it being like too full where I have to blow dry to flatten it out. Like, it's just perfect the way it is straight out of the pack. But I'm speaking, it could be too soon. Let me try on the next one, and then we're gonna talk about that one. All right, so this one, the Neesha H302, first of all, the color is hitting. And this color, again, is the DR2 Honey Brown. Baby girl, this honey brown color is really, really doing it for me, y'all. I am loving it. I think that this green headband goes perfectly with it, and it's kind of giving me some fall vibes. I am super, super duper happy with the color of this unit. Now, I don't know if you could tell, but this one is my favorite. It just looks a lot sleeker. It just gives you that nice fresh vibes. It's just giving me everything. And then it has that color in it. So it's like, okay, you the clean, fresh look, but you got color. Like, this is so cute. It's so soft. I can run my hands through it. You can see the little crinkles. I love the texture. This natural texture is really, really doing it for me, y'all. The hair is moving. It's not stiff. Like, this is the bomb.com. It's crazy because when I did the Annie review, not the new bob, because you know they got the Annie Outre bob and all that stuff. Outre doing some stuff, okay? They're coming out with everything. But when I did the Annie headband wig, and it was the Annie I just said, I thought that was amazing. But now that they got this Neesha one right here, this is like Annie 2.0, like literally, because it's so much softer. It's moving. The texture is better. This is Annie 2.0. This is the bomb, y'all. It feels good. It's not tangling up. OMG, like I cannot complain. This one is my bae. But anyways, same thing like the last one. It does have a lot of space in it, so if you wanted to move it to the tippy front, you can. You can switch it up with different headbands. Like I said, if you want to use these type of headbands and stuff like that, get you a black one to put on top of it, so that way if that moves, you have something sitting there so they won't be able to see your wig. Like, I also thought that this color was going to throw it off and not look so natural because, you know, my roots are dark. But to be honest with you, you can't tell. It just looks like I have a dark root and it's, you know, turning into something else, and it still looks very natural. So I was kind of against colored half wigs when you try to do the headband thing at one point, but I'm here for it. It looks really, really good, y'all. I love this unit a lot. I love this unit a lot. I really do. All right, y'all. So that is it for today's review. Let me know which wig do you prefer. You ain't got to break it down and be like the Neesha H301 because you know the numbers is a little crazy. Do you like the brown one better or the black one better? Okay, the brown one is more my vibe. Okay, this is more my vibe. I'm feeling this right here. Make sure y'all head over to KIMIRA Juice. Show her some love. See what she's slaying today because I know it's going to be good. Okay, she always coming through with something and she always looking cute in everything she wears, like for real. Show her some love, y'all. If you're interested in the color context I'm wearing today, it is the Egypt Brown from TTDI. Promo code is CARRY. That information will be in the description box below. And that is it. I'll see y'all later. I'll holla. And I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Thanksgiving. And let's continue to enjoy these holidays. Be safe. Be great. 20 seconds of some end screens popping up and my subscribe button probably sitting on my face. So I'm going to bump down a little bit. Can you see me now? Make sure you click on one of these things right here. I got some new other videos, some playlists, something gonna pop up there. So click on it, okay? Click on it for your girl one time. 20 seconds is almost done. 20 seconds is almost done. I think we somewhere around it right about now. See y'all later.